Picture this, a world where only a fraction of people are reaping the benefits of an incredibly powerful financial tool. This is the reality of Bitcoin. Despite the buzz, only a tiny fraction of global population owns Bitcoin, compared to the vast population owning stocks. This stark difference indicates Bitcoin's nascent stage. The question is, why this disparity? Primarily, it's the perceived complexity and volatility of Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency realm may seem overwhelming, but with guidance, anyone can master it. Bitcoin's value may fluctuate, but remember, with volatility comes opportunity. Chances to buy low and sell high. The other issue is the regulatory uncertainty. Governments are still figuring out cryptocurrency regulations, but this shouldn't discourage potential investors. On the contrary, this is a sign that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are disrupting traditional financial systems, proving their transformative potential. So, what does all this mean for you? It means that the Bitcoin boom has only just begun. The data speaks volumes. Did you know there are over 1.7 billion stock owners worldwide? But here's a jaw-dropping fact. There are only about 10 million Bitcoin globally. With its untapped potential and room for growth, Bitcoin offers a unique investment opportunity that should not be missed. In this vast ocean of financial opportunities, Bitcoin is an island yet to be fully discovered. It's an uncharted territory with treasures waiting to be unearthed, and while there might be risks involved, the potential rewards are too great to ignore. In conclusion, the world of Bitcoin is still a largely untapped goldmine. With only a fraction of global investors currently involved, there's plenty of room for newcomers to make their mark, so don't be deterred by the headlines or the naysayers. The Bitcoin revolution is just getting started, and there's never been a better time to get involved. So, seize the opportunity, embrace the potential, venture into the uncharted territory of Bitcoin. Because the future of finance is here, and it's more accessible than ever.